Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. And today's
The exhaust is on.
Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Alright guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're finally featuring this car. It is a, what year is it? 11? 2011 Infiniti G35. It's
G37.
G37. Oh, my bad. The 2011 G37. Nothing really done to the car except today we're gonna be doing its first modification. Actually, do you have any, you don't think you have anything done?
Nah, just a spoiler and then muffler.
Oh yeah, he has like actually has a muffler delete right now. So just like small aesthetics. But today we're gonna be putting on a performance exhaust. It is hold on, let me show you guys. The exhaust is a what, top speed?
Top speed Pro 1 exhaust. It's for 370Z and G37s. So it's kind of like a universal thing for the VQs.
Okay, so there you go. And I went ahead and looked under the car. It's not too difficult. Oh, here, let me plug it to Instagram. We'll go ahead and follow him. It doesn't look too difficult to take off. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys a quick preview before we start installing. So right there, disconnected from there. I'm probably gonna take this bar off right here in the middle. And after that, I think we might have to take off those hangers.
Yeah,
maybe.
A couple hangers.
And then after that, just remove it off that, and the oil exhaust will be out. So we'll go ahead and get started on this, and we'll be back in a second. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and take off this chassis support piece. It's held on by 4 bolts, 2 on this side and 2 on that side. They're both 12 millimeters. And now the guy recording the camera is gonna put the camera down, and so he could do that side. Oh. Okay, so now we went ahead and broke these 2 loose. These are the exhaust bolts going from the factory white pipe to I don't even know what is this called. X pipe.
So it's the Y pipe and then it goes to an H pipe all the way back. So it's a true H pipe.
Okay, so I'm not no VQ guy, or I mean Infiniti guy. I drive a Mustang, so
He drives a Mustang.
yeah, I don't know the proper term.
There it is.
Forgive me. But yeah, but what we did is we went ahead and we sprayed these down with a PV blaster. What that does is exhaust bolts, if they get really hot and over time they rust. So if you're able to spray it down with a blaster, then it does make it a little bit easier when you're taking the bolts off. So get that one off, and then we're going to get this one off. So after this, we're going to go ahead and move towards the back. I think all we have to do now is get the exhaust off the hangers.
Yeah.
And then from there, we can go ahead and remove the whole exhaust. Because from here back is actually all one piece. Alrighty, so let's go and move to the back. Okay, so what we're doing is instead of taking the rubber off taking the hanger off this piece, I'm gonna go ahead and remove the hanger completely and then take it out from when I have it outside the car. So to do that, you have to actually take off this plastic piece. It's held in by 3 10mm bolts. And then after you remove that piece, you'll be able to get to that bolt right there, which is a 12mm. And you can take that out and the hanger will completely come out. And I already went ahead and did it to this side. It's the same process. I took the plastic piece off, which is 3 10mm bolts. And then I took that one bolt off right there. So let me go ahead and do it to this side. Okay, now for the back, I already went ahead and did that side. Same thing, I'm gonna go and remove the whole hanger because to me that's easier. So there is 12mm bolts, 3 of them holding it in. But this plastic piece is in the way. So you're gonna have to remove this 10mm bolt right here, this one right here, and then there's gonna be a clip right here. So you have to remove that clip, or take it off the clip, and then this piece will come out, and you'll be able to get to those bolts right there. Okay, so here I have the 2 exhausts side by side, and this is bolting up to the factory white pipe. I think I mentioned that earlier, but just in case if I didn't. So this is the stock on my left hand side, and this is the top speed one. So top speed one, actually it comes with the extender. This is specifically for the G37, because I believe that by itself is for the 370, correct? Yeah, so yeah, the G37 or the Gs in general, they have a little bit wider body, so they need that extender. And after that, it's going to be a single exit from a resonator all the way back, and it's going to split out into 2 ends, and with 2 more mufflers. And that's about it. Another thing is this exhaust does come with its own hangers. However, I did take off I did take off the top speed hanger, and I put the factory one on because I actually like the factory one better. It looks like it's a lot more stronger than the top speed one, so I went ahead and used that. Or I'm gonna try to use that. If it doesn't fit, then I'll put the top speed one back on. But other than that, oh, you are going to need gaskets. You're actually gonna need 3. One right there, and one right here. And yeah, let's go ahead and start bolting this thing on. Alright, so first, I'm gonna go ahead and put on the new gasket. Oh yeah, yes. Okay. So after that, I'm going to slide on the extender pipe. And then now I'll be able to, what I'm going to do is I'm not going to short everything down. We're going to go ahead and put everything on by hand. And then get the rest of the exhaust on. And then we'll go ahead and put on the new, then we'll go ahead and short down all the bolts. So now that we got this on, we can go ahead and grab the single exit pipe and put that one on.
Listen.
Yeah.
So this exhaust is rattling. You see that? It's gonna rattle, don't you think?
We'll tighten everything down. And then we'll just see how it is.
Okay.
If it still rattles, we'll just put some cardboard right here.
Where? Right there?
Yeah, right here.
Oh, okay. But isn't the pipe hot?
Bro, Jay said it'll be fine.
Oh, okay. You guys, all the viewers on Mason's channel, you heard that? If your exhaust is rattling, just cardboard is a simple option, you know?
This is a joke. Please don't put cardboard.
Don't put cardboard. Don't be like Jay. Don't be like Jay.
Don't be like Jay.
So we have the extension on, and then now we're putting the single on, and the only piece here left is the muffler that goes out to the end.
So over here, this is where another gasket needs to go. So we go ahead and put the gasket on, and then we went ahead and bolted on the hanger. So like I said, we're not tightening everything down just yet. I want to get everything on, mocked up, make sure everything fits, and then we'll go ahead and tighten everything down. So we'll go ahead and put the back piece on, and we'll go and show you how it looks. Alright guys, so we just went ahead and put on the back dual piece. We went ahead and just bolted it down from here, put it on the hangers, and we did actually run into a clearance issue. Let me show you guys right now. The exhaust does touch right here. I think it's actually still touching. Yeah, it is. But yeah, you're gonna have to actually bang this piece right here. You just want to put a dent in it to where you can have clearance right here. I think mine is still touching, so I'm gonna actually have to move this a little bit more. And you don't want to go too much because you don't want this piece touching the drive shaft. And other than that, everything else fit pretty decent. It is kind of a top speed exhaust. It's a little bit on the cheaper side, so it's not going to be a perfect fitment. You're going to have to do little modifications like that. But now let's go ahead and start it up, see how it sounds, and we'll check for exhaust leaks. All right, so now we'll go and start it up and see how it sounds. Go ahead, Jimnesh. It is relatively quiet. He does have 3 resonators, and he still has the stock cats, so it's not going to be too loud. But we're going to go and check for exhaust leaks, make sure we don't have any exhaust leaks. After that, we'll go ahead and take it on a test drive, and we'll get some sound clips for you guys and see how it sounds. Alright guys, so we went ahead, we test drove it. We don't have any type of leaks or anything like that. So now we're going to go ahead and get some res for you guys. So like I said, it is a stock white pipe with the cat, so it's a stock catalytic converters, and then a top speed cat back. It's basically a single exit that comes out to duals in the back. So go ahead and rev it. Cool. And it is automatic, so you can't rev it all the way past red line.